Right away, this changes everything. A probation hearing is basically the courtroom version of "you already got a second chance. Now explain why you deserve a third." The burden is lower, the patience is shorter, and judges usually come in already concerned. So ask yourself, is this hearing about facts or consequences?
Good morning. Are you Renecia Segura? And Ms. Holmes, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion?
This is a subtle but powerful legal move. Waiving the reading tells the court the defense isn't here to argue whether something happened. They're trying to control how bad the outcome becomes. Translation: the strategy has shifted from defense to survival.
Ms. Segura, in clause number 231869, I have a motion to revoke your community supervision. Shows that you were placed on probation July 29th of 2024 for the offense of theft of property with previous convictions. And that was...
This is the part many people misunderstand about probation. It's not freedom, it's suspended consequences. The prison sentence is already waiting in the background like a paused video. One violation, and the judge just presses play.
A 2-year term in prison that was probated for 5 years. Is that correct? It alleges that you violated your probation. Count 1 alleges that you committed the offense of theft in aggregate amount January 29th, 2025 in Harris County, Texas. And is that true or not true? Count 2 alleges that you failed to avoid persons or places of disreputable or harmful character. In that you were at a location, you were arrested at a place where a crime had been committed with individuals who had previously been convicted of crimes. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true to count?
And this is the turning point. Pleading true is basically saying, yes, I violated probation. Now I'm asking for mercy. At this moment, the case stops being about evidence and becomes entirely about the judge's perception of character, history,
1 and 2 freely and voluntarily, and because they're actually true. Give me a minute here.
So Dad reviewed some of the Harris County offense material. She was essentially an accomplice while other people were committing theft in this instance.
I just, again, real quick, look back at the pre-sentence report to see all the criminal, how many we've got.
A lot.
This pause is louder than anything said out loud. Judges don't revisit criminal history unless they're asking one question. Is this behavior escalating? And once a judge starts thinking in patterns instead of incidents, leniency becomes much harder to justify.
Say it.
Oh, yeah, no. I'm not accepting this. My notes, I sent you to ISF already. And my note says it was a cap of 15 months at that time. And I wrote on here that you deserved the whole 15 months. And it's like Mr. Lewis was your attorney at that time. And he and Ms. Holmes are both doing quite the job for you. But 8 months with 7 felony convictions for theft, 5 more arrests, plus this one, and now you've been arrested again, is not something I'm going to accept. Absolutely nothing less than the 15 months that was the cap in the first place. So it's either something like that, or it's an MTRP. I don't have to. Y'all go talk about it. I'm deleting the paperwork. All right, go back with the bailiff. If y'all come up with something today, then that's fine. If not, we'll. But I deleted it. You'll need to redo something.
Oh, say I told you so. So I have a note on my file that I argued for the full 15.
Well, then I don't. Then why? Then throw it back in my face.
Well, I did on this one.
Well, it deserved it though.
They gave her like 30 days time served.
But that's Harris County. They get 30 days time served on aggravated robberies.
They do like.
I mean,
they do 45.
That doesn't count. That's not.
They do 45.
Absolutely. When there's something like that, no way. Okay, Jalen White.
And there it is. The moment the courtroom energy shifts completely. The judge isn't negotiating anymore. They're correcting what they believe was previous leniency. When judges reference past chances out loud, it usually means patience has officially run out. The real question now isn't if consequences are coming, but how severe they'll be.